Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to change your Windows 10 in dark mode. As you can see it right now, this is the settings I have right now and I'm going to change it. Please keep on watching. First thing, I'm gonna go to settings. And then I'm going to click on personalization. Once I come over here, I'm going to click on background. Over here, it's on slideshow right now. Click right here, and I'm going to choose solid color. Okay, and over here you can choose like any color you want. I don't like this color, so I want this to be black, since I want it to turn into a dark mode. So I'm going to click on black right here, and then I'm gonna click on color. This is bonus, okay? I'm gonna show you something else too. So over here, see, choose your color. Can go to dark, and look at it right now. It's just gonna X out right now. See, it's all in dark mode. And this is how you change your Windows 10 into a dark mode. And I hope this video is helpful and informative. If you find this video as a value, please consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, stay fit. Thanks for watching.